Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. You are going to love this soup recipe. It's hearty, it's delicious, and it's done in 20 minutes. Today we're going to make creamy white chili. Okay, so let's get started. So here are all the ingredients that you're going to need for this soup, but as always, I will put the recipe in the description box down below. So you will need a medium-sized soup pot for this recipe, and the first thing we're going to add is chicken broth. You need 14 ounces or 1 3/4 cup. This chicken broth that I use is better than bouillon that you dilute in water, and it's my favorite. Then we're going to add Grate Northern beans. You can add 2 to 3 cans. I like it a little bit more hearty, so I'm going to add 3 cans. Make sure that they are drained and rinsed. Next, you're going to add 1 can of diced green chilies. We usually add the mild because my kids don't like anything spicy. So if you like it a little bit spicier, add a spicier green chili. And then you're going to add garlic powder. You're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt. I really love this pink Himalayan salt. It's my favorite. Next, you'll add 3/4 teaspoon of ground cumin. Then you will add a 1/2 teaspoon of oregano. Next, I'm going to add some dried minced onion. My kids don't like big chunks of onion in anything, so I just add this and it gives it the flavor without that big crunchy piece of onion. But you can also just use a regular chopped onion in here as well. Okay, now I'm just going to give this a really nice stir, and then I'm going to turn the burner on to medium-high heat. I'm going to bring this to a boil and then lower it down to a simmer and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to add this premium chunk chicken breast from Costco. I add 2 large cans of this. This is what makes your soup come together really quickly in under 20 minutes. But if you would like to boil your own chicken or cook it in the oven and then shred it and add it to the soup, you can do that as well. This just makes it really quick, and this chicken is really tasty. I really like it. So what I'm going to do is kind of break up the larger chunks of chicken and stir it all together. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. This Darigold 40% whipping cream is my very favorite. I get it from Costco, but it lasts forever and it's really creamy and delicious. Then you're going to add 8 ounces or 1 cup of sour cream. Now just mix this together and make sure you get all the sour cream and the heavy whipping cream mixed in there. and warm this on medium. You don't want to bring it to a boil at this point. Just warm it all the way through and then it's ready to serve. This soup is so hearty and filling and delicious. I promise it's a crowd pleaser. Every time I've taken it to a gathering, I get asked for the recipe all the time. It is so delicious and so creamy. Even my kids absolutely love this soup. So what you'll do next is you'll just scoop it into a bowl. Then you'll just top the soup with your favorite cheese. So I really love this Cheddar Jack cheese. I think it's a really good combination with the soup. Just go ahead and sprinkle it on the top, and then you can add tortilla chips or those little tortilla strips, or you can just eat it just like this. So let me know in the comments down below if you try this. And really, what did that take? 20 minutes. It's a quick, easy soup. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I post videos every single week, cooking, cleaning, organization. So I'll see you in the next one. Couldn't even breathe without you.